Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your messenger bug. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger bug problem, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about messenger. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop. Here we click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.